So, welcome back again, guys. And I'm here in front of you in order to answer the activities regards with the chapter 9. So, here our first activity, the TCP and the UDP characteristics. So, before we start, I will uh, explain what is the meaning of TCP first and also the UDP. TCP stands as the Transmission Control Protocol, or TCP, is one of the main protocols of the Internet Protocol suite. It may originated in the initial network implementation, and therefore the entire suite is commonly referred to as TCP or IP. And TCP provides uh, ordered and check delivery of stream bytes bytes between an application running on host communication by a network and then its major internet applications such as the World Wide Web, email, remote ad, and file transfer rely on TCP. By the application do not require reliable data stream service may use the datagram protocol, or the UDP, which provides a connection diagram service that emphasizes reduced latency over reliability. Then for UDP, our UDP is in computing networking. The datagram protocol, or the UDP, is one of the core members of the Internet Protocol suite. The protocol was designed the protocol was designed the protocol was designed by David P. Reed in 1980 and formally defined in RFC 768 with a UDP. Computer applications can send messages, in this case referred to as a datagrams, to other hosts on the Internet Protocol or IP network. Prior communications are not required in order to set up communication channels or data paths. In addition, UDP uses a simple connectionless communication model with minimum protocol mechanisms. UDP provides checksums for data integrity and port numbers for addressing different functions at the source and destination of the diagram. It has no handshaking dialogues and that exposes the user's program to unreliability of underlying networks. There is no guarantee of delivery or clearing or duplicating protection if error correction facilities are needed at the network interface level. So, for our first activity, distinguishing if it's TCP or UDP. So, first, we have the order delivery classified as TCP, the sequence message segments, and the guaranteed delivery, and then the flow control. And the others, and our session establishment, and the other was classified as UDP, the connections, no order delivery, less overhead, fast transmission requirements, no acknowledgement. So let's go with our another activity. our next activity will be the connection and termination process. We're going to determine if it's ACK, CYN, or ACK and SYN. So we have the three-way handshake of the TCP establishment session with our media, with our units or media. We have A and B, and we have the send and the receive SYN. So the first send SYN is an SYN, then from receive, and then going to send is going to be SYN and ACK. Then this would be SYN and ACK also. ACK, ACK. Let's check. It's all correct. We have its second part. So it's her second part. We start with the sending pin. Then the ASIC going to be down at ACK, and from the sending it will send ACK also and receive, and vice versa, then receive YN again coming from another FYN from the sender. Then onward we have ACK, and also will send an ACK and receive ACK. And for our last activity, here's our last activity. We have to distinguish the given elements if it's TCP, UDP, or both running with TCP and UDP. So first, as TCP, we have the HTTP, Telnet, TP, IPBTB, SMTP. At the UDP side, we have the DHCP, VIP, IPTB, and the TFPN. And the remaining ones are both running with the TCP and the UDP. So it's all correct. Then, and the application layer protocol to its transport layer delivery method, and from its delivery method we see that the TCP and the UDP have their own and different type of transferring their message, also the receiving. Then at the other side, they have both method, which is SNMP and the DNS. So that's all. Thank you.